Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Ngayong paparating na Enero 23, Linggo, magaganap ang napakalaking laban ni Triple M o Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Ang kauna-unahan niyang world title fight, makakabangga niya ang WBC Featherweight defending champion na si Gary Russell Jr. na tinatawag ng ibang analyst na may supreme talent. Iniiwasan din daw ito sa featherweight division, kaya mula 2015 ay 6 na beses lang itong nakalaban. Huling laban ni Russell Jr. ay noon pang 2020 kontra sa Mongolian fighter na si Niam Bayar. Panalo si Russell Jr. via unanimous decision, habang itong si Magsayo ay huling lumaban noong Agosto lang kontra sa Meksikanong si Julio Ceja. Panalo si Magsayo via 10th round knockout. May malinis na record itong si Magsayo na 23 wins with 16 knockout. 26 ang edad at 5'6 ang tangkad, habang itong defending champion na si Russell Jr. ay may kartadang 31 wins, 1 loss, 18 via knockout, 33 na ang edad at 5'4". Ang nag-iisang talo ni Russell Jr. ay mula sa magaling din na si Vasily Lomachenko via majority decision. Kung ikukumpara ang resume ng dalawa mga pre, di hamak na mas eksperyensyado itong si Russell Jr. Malupit din ang amateur record nito na 163 wins with only 10 defeats. Naging bronze medalist noong 2005 World Championships. Naging Prospect of the Year noong 2011 ng The Ring. Mabilis kong gumalaw, excellent footwork at ring IQ. Pero itong Pinoy naman si Magsayo ay may mas malakas na kamao. 70% ang knockout percentage nito kumpara sa 56 lang kay Gary Russell Jr. 33 na din ang edad ni Russell Jr. habang 26 pa si Triple M. 5'4 lang din itong champion habang 5'6 si Magsayo. At 2 taon na mula noong huling lumaban itong si Russell Jr. kumpara kay Magsayo na noong Agosto lang. Paniguradong may kalawang pa sa katawan itong defending champion. Pero ang mas nakakabilib kay Magsayo na kahit si Gary Russell Jr. mismo ay bumilib din ay dahil sa tapang at kumpiyansa ni Magnifico na kasahan ang champion sa laban. Sa press conference ng dalawa na makikita sa fighthub.com, sinabi ni Russell Jr. na hands off daw talaga siya kay Magsayo. Dahil sa tapang at bilib nito sa sarili, nalabanan siya. Di daw gaya ng ibang kilala at champion pa sa kanilang division na tinatakbuhan siya. Healthy ang naging presko nila, walang trash talk na nangyari. Sinabi ni Triple M na nire-respeto niya ang champion pero bibigyan daw niya ito ng magandang laban. Handa din daw siya sa estilo nito kung lumaban at sisiguraduhin daw niyang siya ang mananalo sa bakbakan at tatanghalin bilang bagong kampiyon. Habang sagot naman ni Russell Jr. ay ibibigay din daw niya ang best niya para madipinsaan pa ang pagiging champion sa featherweight division. Matagal lang pangarap ni Magsayo na makalaban para sa isang pandaigdigang titulo, maging isang ganap na champion tulad ng kanyang idolo na si Manny Pacquiao na ating pambansang kamao. Sa isang interview ng boxingscene.com noong nakaraang taon ay sinabi niya na I want the WBC title of course. If Gary Russell's not moving up, I want to fight him. If I have an opportunity to fight Gary Russell Jr., then my dream fight would come true. Ano sa palagay ninyo mga pre? Makukuha na ba ng ating pambato na si Magnifico ang matagal na niyang inaasam-asam na titulo o madidipinsahan pa rin ni Russell Jr. sa pang-6 na beses ang kanyang titulo? Sabay na rin nating tignan ang ilan sa mga knockout highlights ng kanilang mga laban.
Introducing Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Sapagkat ito dito, 4 na rounds po ito.
Magandang.
Cracking right hand from Magsayo.
He hit him with the left power. Oh, what an impressive debut for...
Maatras na si Sandal. There's the cracking right to the body. Left. Grazing the head.
Left hook. Magandang.
Oh, but right on the button, and Reyes not really backing off. If he's going to go down, it's going to be in flames. As Reyes takes another launch bomb, and he takes a body shot. Backing off now as we complete the second. Gary Russell's professional debut knocked out. And he's still trying to win. Now he's getting driven back. Steve Smoger taking a big look. Let's watch. And Steve Smoger's seen it all.
Magnifico
was lovely. 4 punches on the spin. Now gets him in the corner and he goes down this time. And that could be all she wrote. I think it might have been a body shot that was a telling blow. KO number 14 for Mark Magsayo. 19-0. And the man from the Philippines.
You know, for featherweights, but against Gary Russell Jr.
Fortunately for him, this round is almost over, but there's Russell.
Might stop. They want to see Aranda fight back. They don't want to just see him take punches, even if he's not getting hurt.
And there, that goes to the body, goes down, and yeah, this is not going to continue as Aranda is just...
Right here. Stay right there. I got out. Gotta do it. Sit down. Sit down. I know you're all right, but you need
he's upset at himself, and he just
Nataklay ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Bagsak na naman. Itong si Isa ng Pepeche. Abangan natin ang kaliwa. Ayun, sa pool. Sa panga. Itong si Isa.
Look how quick that young man is, Russell Jr. Going away, but in trouble again. That's early on. It almost looked nice left again by Russell.
The body shots are killing right now.
Final moments of round one. There's a big right, and Randy Phillips steps in.
Magsayo, undefeated, perfect record so far, 16-0.
Oh, down!
Good shot. What?
Yes! First one!
Magsayo is in revenge.
bien al cuerpo y vemos cómo lo para en seco y después continúa el vendaval de golpes de Gary. Poco a poco se le va cerrando y si con dos ojos pudo hacer poco ante Gary Russell Jr., pues ni pensar por todo. Y es que no te puedes dar el lujo. Que izquierda nuevamente la ráfaga de golpes. Y mientras interviene Tony García al mismo tiempo, Gary Russell Jr. envía la lona por tercera ocasión. Antonio Mesa, pero esa fue la definitiva. Impresionante. Gary Russell Jr. por knockout en el cuarto asalto y después a posar.
Oh, beautiful right hand. And Reyes must go down. Oh, another cracking right hand. Reyes in trouble. What an Magnifico! Magsayo!
Sabi ko nga mukha asin na si Supase. Oh, naglalagtar pa rin. A little low, konting warning from the referee. Oh, overhand right.
A chopping overhand right. He went through the ring. He went through the rope. It's over.
And look at the cracking left of the body by Magsayo. Magsayo looking for the finishing touch. There's the chopping overhand right.
Oh, man.
And look at that.
And a young kid turning from. There was a right hand and left behind it to get inside.
Well, there he touched him with the left hand of the body and the right hand.
Pressure comes from the punches and pushing him back. The mental pressure comes from constantly cutting him off and being in front of him.
And you can see the power.
That was a great right hand, and now Tamayo's in trouble. This time his legs did go. And another right hand.
Russell Jr. defending his WBC featherweight title for the first time against Patrick Hyland. He drops Hyland 3 times in the second round. And Gary Russell Jr. defends his WBC featherweight title successfully for the first time.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.